Well, hello, my little friends. Our story is a Halloween story today about our friend Skeleton. And if you see up here, we got a little friend to be here for our story time reading right now. Our story today is called Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kyler. So let's see about the hiccups. Have you guys ever had the hiccups? We're about to see how that goes. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. He took a shower. Hic, hic. Oh, look, he had the hiccups so bad he dropped his soap. Oh, look, here's his little wolfie slippers. He took a shower. He brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Look, he hiccuped his jaw right off. He polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. And he hiccuped so hard, look it. He pulled his arm right off while he was polishing his bones. He was polishing it with ghost white bone polish. He wants to keep those bones nice and white, right? He carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Look at his pumpkin. From all the hiccuping, he made all kinds of funny cuts. Look at that. After he carved his pumpkin, he raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. And some of those leaves blew everywhere. He played with his friend Ghost. Hic, hic, hic. And look at, because he kept hiccuping, he missed the ball. Ghost told Skeleton, "Hold your breath. Hic, hic, hic." And he also told him, "Eat some sugar." Look at the sugar fell right through. Hic, hic, hic. But still he had the hiccups. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. That didn't work though, did it? Drink some water upside down. Hic, 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 hic. It's not helping at all. Ghost made a face. Skeleton, hic, 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 still had the hiccups. Ghost made a face again and said boo to Skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. But nothing worked. The hiccups stayed. Then Ghost got smart. Hic, hic. And he found a mirror and he held it up. Skeleton screamed, "Hic, hic, hic." Oh no. The hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hooray! That's our little book, Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kyler. I love you.